If you want to download the drivers for SmartLink C, then you come to this website. You can go to Google, find it there, then products, professional products, find pad 5, then go all the way to the bottom, then download this file. Before you download that file, you have to get this file opener. You can go to Microsoft Store, download it there. Once you download it, then you can open this file. You don't have to buy this. So there's the drivers. Click on that. And download files. Once it's finished, you'll see this icon here. You can open it, and to connect your device, you have to connect to a vehicle. And I'll show you how to do that. The next step you want to do is connect it to your vehicle. Then connect it to your laptop on a USB port. Then once you open that icon, the launch j2534, it'll show this, it'll show connected. Then you upgrade, and it'll show the serial number after it's been updated. And after that, you're ready to program with the launch j2534.